In this video, I will show you how you can use locked apps with stolen device protection on any iPhone. But before we start, just make sure that your iPhone is on iOS 18 or later. Now, after you've done that, now just go to Settings and tap on the profile icon at the top of the screen. From here, just tap on Sign In and Security, then tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Now from here, just set up two-factor authentication on your iPhone. After you set up two-factor authentication, then just go back and your Apple account settings, just tap on Find My. Tap on Find My iPhone and make sure that Find My iPhone has been turned on. After you turn on this feature, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services and enable location services on your iPhone. Now after you've done that, now just go back to the main settings page and tap on Face ID and passcode. Then enter your lock screen passcode. Now from here, just tap on Setup Face ID, then tap on Get Started. Now from here, just position your face in this camera frame and move your head around to scan all the angles of your face. Now after you set up Face ID, then tap on Done. Now from here, just scroll down and you will find the option of Stolen Device Protection. Just tap on it and enable the toggle for Stolen Device Protection. Now after you do that, a security delay will be required when you are not in a familiar location, such as your home or your work. And also if you're using another Wi-Fi network, so make sure that you're in a familiar location and you're using the same Wi-Fi network. Now after you have enabled stolen device protection, then go to your home screen and tap and hold on any app which you want to lock. Then select Require Face ID and select Require Face ID. Now just scan your face using Face ID, and after you do that, you will be able to lock any app on your iPhone with stolen device protection, just like that. And this is how you can use locked apps with stolen device protection on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.